Most probably on a residential street, examiner will say do a reverse parallel park behind that car. So the first thing you're going to do is to start indicating left and start getting close to the car early. Roughly you are aiming for 1/2 to 1 meter close to the car. After that, stop when your mirrors aligns with the door handle of the car you are aiming to park behind. Check your mirrors if there are any cars coming from behind or front. Do not initiate your shoulder checks. You need a clear road to start doing your shoulder checks. Once the road is clear, put in reverse and give one whole turn in the direction where you want your car to go, in this case to the left. After that, do a right shoulder check, then left shoulder check, and look over your left shoulder before your car moves. Once your car has moved, then do a right shoulder check again to see if there are any cars now trying to overtake. If yes, stop and let them go first. If not, continue with your reverse park, and now look in the left mirror for a reference point. In your left mirror, you are looking for a triangle to form in your left mirror when the back of your car hits the curb. After that, you would notice, as you move, the triangle would start getting smaller. At one point, there would be no triangle and you only would able to see the curb. At this point, stop. When you would stop seeing the triangle, your car would be this much close to the curb, roughly 100 centimeters from the curb. After that, turn your steering all the way to the right, not this much, all the way. Keep moving until your car gets straightened up. You would know your car has straightened up when the front of your car is exactly behind the car in front of you. Once straighten up, bring your steering to the center, or in other words, straighten up your wheels, hand brake up, put it in park, and let the examiner know you are done.